So, we actually met during high school. Ano yun? Second year high school.
Second year high school, naging
Yeah.
mag-classmates kami.
Classmates.
Pero actually nakikita ko na siya nung first year pa lang kami. Pero magkaiba kasi kami ng section. Nalipat ako nung second year high school, tapos doon ko na siya nakilala. Tapos naging classmate ko siya hanggang fourth year. We separate nung college kasi nag-aaral ako sa TUP, tapos siya naman sa PhilSca. Close pa rin naman kami nun. We keep in touch with each other.
Hindi kasi tropa tayo. What I feel on our upcoming wedding, a bit nervous. Lalo na din sa vows. Yeah, I'm excited din. Parang nilook forward ko na yung everything about the wedding cake.
Kaba talaga kasi syempre first time. Alam mo yung fear of unknown, yung hindi mo pa siya gamay.
More than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. My life. For the rest of my life.
Hindi alam niya maaari kayo magpapropose na sa
Ibigin kasi kung nahayaan mo ko na ayain ka.
Thank you for always being there with me through ups and downs.
Wow.
Yan lang gusto kong sabihin sa akin. Na hindi ko pa nasasabi
Ako yun din, thank you din. Kasi lagi mo akong inuuna sa lahat ng bagay. Yes. Napakagaling mong provider. Very good ka dyan.
How much I love you more na siguro I love you to the moon and back.
Wow. Sobrang old school.
Sobrang old school, very very college.
Ako, how much I love you, parang I love you every day. Parang every day nag-e-evolve siya.
Although may times naman na hindi mo mahal, na mahal mo yung tao pero
Huwag mo na
hindi
isingit
araw-araw
yun.
mahal mo yung tao, pero every
Araw-araw
day,
kitang pipiliin.
yeah, araw-araw kitang pipiliin.
How he compliment me. Actually, hindi masyado. Lagi lang niya, pag inasar niya ako, Pag inasar niya ako na, uy, ganyan nga.
Paano kasi?
Ganda,
Yun
na yun.
Kino-compliment ko kasi yun. Pag kino-compliment ko siya, tinitreat niya as sarcasm. Pero minimin ko naman talaga na uy, ang ganda mo today Pero tinatawanan niya kasi ako every time.
Throwing petals like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. You said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You leave me on red, babe, but I still get the message. Instead of a line, it's 3 dots, but I can connect them. And if it ain't right, babe, you know I respect it. But if you need time, just take your time, honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like, will you catch 'em at night? I'm Cupid with arrows, babe, I'm just shooting my shot. If I could get in, drop me a pin.